Come on, Riviera. I thought she was a few down. Well, she probably was. Come on, Riviera. This is like lightning round gymnastics. Oh, I'm not. By no means. I am all about this. Oh my gosh, Riviera, what happened there, bud? Sorry, go ahead. Beach ball, buddy. I know that's a huge thing. Good job, Riviera at 8.6. Kayla pointed out a couple things in their routine, like, wait till I get this and I'll shut this off. And then there's my phone.